Welcome to Center Maths, guys. We are discussing important MCQs on chapter 3 matrices as per the new pattern. So we continue with the fifth already. So A is equal to matrix 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So every element is 1. We got to find A square. Fine. So what is A square? So A square is A into A. So 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So into 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So how we have to multiply? We have to multiply each row of the first matrix with each column of the second matrix with the corresponding element, and we have to find the sum of the product, which means 1 into 1, then 1 into 1, then 1 into 1. Okay, so this in the same way, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, so 1 into 1. Okay, so then first row, third column. So second column is over, first row, third column, again 1 into 1, then 1 into 1, then 1 into 1. Okay, so now first row, okay, first column, second column, third column is over. So now second row, first column, second column, third column. So since we get the same element, okay, so 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1. So we get all the elements 1. Now third row with all the three columns. So third row, first column 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so third row, second column 1 plus 1 plus 1. Third row, third column 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what we get is, so 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. So which is nothing but 3 times 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, right? So we can say it is 3A. So which option is 3A? Option C. You can shade in the OMR sheet. Coming to the sixth already, a matrix A equal to Aij of the order m by n is said to be skew symmetric matrix if, fine. So it is a direct question. What is skew symmetric matrix? If A power t equal to A, it is a symmetric. Okay. So if A power t, it is minus A, that is A transpose is minus A, then it is skew symmetric. Okay, so for symmetry Aij, that is equal to Aij, here it is minus, so Aij, that is equal to minus Aij. So where is the option for Aij equal to minus Aij? So it is again option C. So we can share option C. Coming to the seventh already, A equal to Aij of the order m by n is a square matrix if, so we know what is square matrix. What is square matrix? Number of rows should be equal to number of columns. So that is 1 2 5 minus 7. Okay, so it is a square matrix because number of rows is 2, number of columns is 2, so 2 by 2. So again 5 minus 7, C x y z 1 2 minus 5. So how many rows we have? 3. How many columns? We have 3. So 1 2 3, 3 rows, 1 2 3, 3 columns. So m is equal to n, right? So number of rows equal to number of columns, then it is a square matrix. So which option is this? So option A, m equal to n. So you can shade in the OMR sheet. Coming to the eighth Arabic, if A and B are square matrices, then AB whole dash equal to what? Okay, so AB whole dash or AB complement, which means it is a transpose. So this is also a direct question. So we know AB transpose, that is equal to B transpose A transpose. So instead of transpose, complement is given, that is AB whole dash, that is equal to B dash A dash. So if BA complement is given, then it is A dash B dash. So the product of the matrices and its transpose, that is equal to product of its transpose matrices with the reverse order. Okay, fine. So what is the option? So A B whole dash equal to B dash A dash. So option A is the correct answer. You can shade in the OMR sheet. Coming to the ninth therapy, if A is equal to matrix cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, adjoint A is equal to what? Okay, so we know the formula for adjoint A. So what is adjoint A? So adjoint A is the cofactor matrix transpose. So what is cofactor matrix? Okay, so we will find A11. Okay, so A11 means, okay, we have to leave first row and first column. So this element is cos theta. So what is A12? So A12 1 plus 2, it is a odd number. So we have to insert minus sign. So this is A12. So leave first row and second column. The diagonal element is minus sin theta. Okay. So now A21. So 2 plus 1, it is 3, odd number. So we have to insert a minus sign. So this is A21. So leave this column and row. So minus sin theta. So already we got a minus. So it is plus sin theta. So A22. Okay. So this one. So leave second column and second row. So cos theta. 2 plus 2, it is 4, even. 1 plus 1, 2, it is even. So we no need to change the sign. We can write as it is. So now what is the cofactor matrix? So cofactor matrix Aij is equal to cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. So now adjoint A is equal to Aij transpose. Okay, so what is the transpose of this? So transpose is nothing but changing the rows into column or vice versa. Okay, so change this into rows. So cos theta, so this element goes here, sin theta, and minus sin theta cos theta. So which option suits? Cos theta, okay, not this. So cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So option C is correct. You can shade in the OMR sheet. Thanks guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe.